Instead, they are now confidently out of the World Cup.
Without a goal. Curaçao was done better than them.
That's wild, man.
Haiti is doing better than them. Cape Verde is doing better than them. The thing is,
that's wild. You do realize, like, if you think about like their story, I was thinking about like Turkey is basically the reflecting pool of national teams right now.
The reflecting pool, the DC reflecting pool.
Yeah, the DC reflecting was released to much fanfare.
Okay, yes.
There was a massive overhaul.
Yes.
Tons of money was pumped into it. They made this grand announcement with extreme expectations.
Yes.
And much sooner than people predicted, the paint started peeling off.
Things fell apart, yes.
And it fell apart and it became one of the biggest disasters we've ever seen. In a like a space that really no one...
The reflecting pool,
It would have been one thing if they said, the reflecting pool after like 2 years. It happened in a comically short amount of time. That's what happened with Turkey.
It would be great if also Turkey had Abraham Lincoln just looking on very disappointed.
Just judging from his seat.
I'm not mad, I'm just disappointed. No, the thing is, I'll say this about Turkey. So I've had a chance, and probably you have too. I've had a chance to visit Turkey, to visit Istanbul 3 times.
You have?
Yes.
Why is your hair still like this?
They went like, we are miracle workers, but come on. We can only do so much. Even the Turkish doctors went like,
within
no.
the realm. It has to be within the realms of like science.
Yes, we don't make wonders. Yeah, no, but the thing is, I've had a chance to visit Istanbul 3 times on a cruise, by the way. And every time I visited Istanbul, I feel it's like the Brazil of Europe. The fans breathe, live, and sleep football. They have the 3 biggest clubs: Galatasaray, Fenerbahce, and Besiktas.
Yeah.
And the fans, they're very passionate people, fiercely passionate. So I feel for them because this is very devastating. This is traumatic for them. They came in, they thought they would win, they got embarrassed. And if you've also had, like, we grew up watching European football. If you've had a chance to watch like those Turkish games, when they say an English team visits, oh my God,
massive.
I remember Man United visiting.
It's massive.
Visiting Galatasaray, the Al Samien Stadium. And it's basically welcome to hell. That's what they call it.
Yep.
And when you would watch like teams go to the where Fenerbahce used to play, it was called the Sakuro Sarokoglu. Those stadiums really feel like, I wouldn't even know how to describe them because an American wouldn't get it. They feel like you've entered, when they say the fan is the 12th man, it genuinely feels, it's like Anfield, but with flares.
But why didn't that translate into the World Cup?
No, so they have, and this is why.
0 goals,
so this is why I feel for them, because the 2002 team was their golden generation before this golden generation.